Top headlines for the day.
Hello people. We all know how dedicated and loyal Bhaijan Salman Khan's fans are. Well, be it a storm, rain or snow, we can surely say Bhai's fans are never going to leave his side. And they can turn the world upside down just to come forward and give support to their favorite superstar. Well, there are absolutely no doubts about this. And we can say this with utmost surety, especially after the hilarious incident that took place an year ago. Well, MNS office in Mumbai received a huge consignment of medical reports and 50,000 fans of Bollywood actor Salman Khan sent their brain scan report to the party's office. Why? Because Raj Thackeray had called their superstar brainless. And of course we know how loyal Bhaijan fans are, hai na? And how they would do anything just to support him and be with him in any situation that comes. And in this instance also, Salman fans proved the same thing yet again. Well, what do you think about this supportive yet funny gesture by Salman fans? Let us know. Hey fans, here is a rocking news for you all. Well, Jimmy and Nick unveiled the poster for Salman Khan's upcoming concert, Dabangg 2017. Yes guys, we told you already that Bhaijan is all set for a live concert. Salman will be doing this concert on 23rd April 2017 in Melbourne, Australia. And to make it even more special, now the poster of this most awaited concert has been shared on Twitter handle. Well, Sallu has always been the best stage performer. And his electrifying performances, what can we even say about that? His splendid entry on the stage, his exciting performances on some of his popular songs, and the extremely excited crowd cheering the superstar's name. Well, the concert will have its own kind of magical aura surrounding it, isn't it? His fans are surely very excited about this concert. After all, Salman's fan following is not only in India, but also around the world. Oh my, we can't wait until April. Are you excited or not for Dabangg 2017? Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Hello Sallu fans. As a part of our motive to provide you with every single minute update from the sets of Tube Light in Manali, here we are again with some pictures which were posted by fans on Twitter handle. And look who was spotted on the sets. Well, they are Kunal and Zishan Ayub. Yes guys, in these pictures, we can see them all ready for the shoot in Manali. Both of them are junior actors and are well known for their supporting roles in the films, isn't it? And now they have been roped in for some roles in Tube Light. Isn't that exciting? We all know that Salman Khan is currently shooting for Kabir Khan's Tube Light in Manali, and the schedule is expected to wrap up by October end. Reportedly, the Manali schedule is considered as the most crucial schedule in the film. Well, Tube Light is indeed a special film with Sallu, as he will be seen playing a special character for the first time. The film is slated to be released on Eid 2017. So guys, are you excited or not for Tube Light?
As we all know that Shah Rukh Khan and Kajol's most iconic climax scene from the film Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge has always been one of the best scenes in the history of Indian cinema. But do you know, young actor Arjun Kapoor and Shraddha Kapoor have recreated this DDLJ moment once again? Yes guys, apparently Arjun recently shared a still from his upcoming film Half Girlfriend, in which he recreated the DDLJ moment with his co-star Shraddha. He wrote, "Our very own DDLJ moment. Didn't they kill it?" Well, their upcoming film Half Girlfriend is based on a novel by the same name by Indian author Chetan Bhagat. The film has been directed by Mohit Suri and also stars Amy Jackson, Seema Biswas and Vikrant Masse in important roles. The film is slated to be released on 19th of May 2017. Till then, do let us know your views about their recreated DDLJ moment in the comments section below. Karan Johar's upcoming film Ae Dil Hai Mushkil's most beautiful song Channa Mereya has finally released. And you have to believe that this song is indeed awesome and beautiful. Arijit Singh's beautiful voice, Pritam's melodious music and Amitabh Bhattacharya's meaningful lyrics are indeed a spark of the song. Well, Ranbir Kapoor and Anushka Sharma are looking extremely beautiful in the festive attire. Their chemistry makes the song more beautiful like ever before, hai na? After chartbuster songs like Ae Dil Hai Mushkil and Bulaiya, Channa Mereya will surely become a chartbuster too. Moreover, the film also stars Aishwarya Rai Bachchan and Fawad Khan, which are indeed eye candies of the film. This Kejo's unusual love story is all set to release on October 28th, along with Ajay Devgan's action thriller Shivai. So aren't you guys excited for Ae Dil Hai Mushkil? John Abraham's upcoming film Force 2's trailer has finally released, and as expected, the trailer looks superb and packed with action. John's muscular body and solid action scenes will definitely make you stunned. Also, it shows the hot and sizzling chemistry between John and Sonakshi Sinha. Well, the trailer looks indeed solid and will definitely be promising for fans and would create magic at the box office. The film also stars Tahir Bhasin in negative, whereas we are going to see Janelia D'Souza in a cameo. The film is a sequel of 2011's hit movie Force, which was directed by Nishikant Kamath. And now, the second part has been directed by Abhinav Dev. Well, after seeing solid action, high-octane stunts, romantic chemistry between John and Sonakshi, we must say the film would definitely set a record at the box office. Force 2 is all set to release on 18th of November 2016. So aren't you guys excited for the solid thriller? Do let us know. There's quite a rage amongst people and political parties across after the Uri attacks at the army base camp in Jammu and Kashmir. One knows B-Town gives too many opportunities not only to Indians but also gives the same platform to Pakistani actors and artists across this field. But now things will change since Indian Motion Picture Producers Association, IMPA, has now decided not to work with Pakistani artists until peace returns between both the neighboring nations. Although actors like Fawad Khan have left the country for now, but fate of the films with Pakistani actors in them are still hanging. Karan Johar's Diwali release Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, where Fawad plays a pivotal role, has landed in trouble after Maharashtra Navnirman Sena's ultimatum. In fact, Mahira Khan, who was all set for her Bollywood debut with Shah Rukh Khan's Raees, will now have to wait for things to calm down. But guys, is it a fair decision? Do give us your views in the comments section below.
After giving songs like Bolo Har 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 and Darkhast, Ajay Devgan is all set to give us yet another treat with the third song, Raatein. Well, the song will be out on 1st October, but do you know Ajay has recently shared a still of the song on his Twitter handle? He wrote, "Innocence comes in small packages. Melody, memories and magic. #Raatein." Releasing on 1st October at 1 p.m. Wow, isn't that so exciting? Well, the picture is indeed looking special as Ajay and his co-star Abigail Ames are sharing a cute family moment in this picture. Oh, they are looking so adorable. Henna? Most especially, this cute girl will be seen playing the role of Ajay's daughter in the film. Well, this upcoming song has been composed by Jasleen Royal. So guys, are you excited or not for the song Raatein? Do let us know in the comment section below.
Most awaited film Rock On's new song Tere Mere Dil has finally released, and as expected, the song is heart-touching and soulful. Most especially, the song has been sung by none other than Shraddha Kapoor, who's also a female lead for the film. Her soulful voice, Javed Akhtar's beautiful lyrics, and Shankar Ehsaan Loy's melodious music glorifies the song beautifully. Well, the song is all about lost souls and broken hearts, thus everyone would definitely connect to this song. Rock On 2 is a sequel of 28's super hit Rock On. Hence, the Magic Band is all set to surprise us with their rocking performances. The film also stars Farhan Akhtar, Arjun Rampal, Prachi Desai, Dev Kohali and Shashank Arora, and it's directed by Shujat Saudagar. The film is all set to release on November 11th. So aren't you guys excited for Rock On 2? Do let us know. Bollywood folks were already reeling with a lot of issues, but Uri attacks at the army base camp in Jammu and Kashmir made it even worse. Most affected in B-Town were King Khan and Kejo, since both their movies had Pakistani actors. And then all hell broke loose. Ever since the attacks, there's quite a rage amongst people. And so, a Maharashtra-based political party threatened all the Pakistani actors to leave India within 48 hours. In fact, they even went on to say that they would pull down the films which had Pakistani actors. On the other hand, Indian Army have retaliated against Pakistan through surgical attack. And here's how King Khan Shah Rukh Khan cheered the armed forces through his Twitter handle. Thanks Indian Army for the action against terrorism. We should all pray for safety and well-being of our Indian soldiers. Don't you guys think the same? Do let us know.
Recently, political party Maharashtra Navnirman Sena had threatened Pakistani actors and artists to leave the country within 48 hours. And soon after that, all the Pakistani actors had left the country. But now MNS has demanded director Karan Johar to replace Fawad Khan from his upcoming film Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, otherwise they won't be allowed to release the film. Whoa, isn't that shocking? Well, recently MNS General Secretary Shalini Thakre had said in a press conference that Fawad Khan is not the only target. We are against every Pakistani actor. We will not allow any Pakistani actor to work in Mumbai. Oh my god. After their demand, the director must be tensed about this dicey situation. After all, the film's shoot is completed and is all set to release on October 28. Thus, it would be interesting to see how Karan will handle the situation. What do you think, guys? Will he replace Fawad? Hey fans, here is a mind-blowing news for you all. Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan might make an appearance in Sajid Khan and Ritesh Deshmukh's new talk show Yaadon Ki Baaraat. Yes guys, it's true. Rumors are doing rounds in the B-town that Sajid and Ritesh are in talks with Salman Khan and Shah Rukh Khan to make an appearance on the talk show and speak about their 2-decade-old friendship. They have requested them to work on the dates for their show. Whoa, if all goes well, then we will soon get an opportunity to see Karan and Arjun together on the small screen. Reportedly, the show is expected to go on air on Zee TV in October. So, aren't you all excited to see SRK and Salu together on the show? Let us know. After the Uri attacks, Maharashtra Navnirman Sena has threatened Pakistani actors and artists to leave India within 48 hours. And soon after the threat, all Pakistani actors and artists have left the country. But later, MNS demanded Shah Rukh Khan to replace Pakistani actress Mahira Khan from his upcoming film Raees, otherwise they won't be allowed to release the film. Apparently, MNS General Secretary Shalini Thakre had said in a press conference that we are against every Pakistani actor. We will not allow any Pakistani actor to work in Mumbai. Well, in the current scenario, it is not possible to replace an actor as the shoot of the film is already completed. Also, the release date of the film has been announced. Thus, it would be interesting to see what action SRK will take on it. Will he replace Mahira Khan? What do you guys think? Do let us know in the comment section below.